Bienvenidos a un nuevo episodio de Este Lado A, un espacio de Paradoxa Labs donde conversaremos con voces clave de la industria para entender mejor el panorama en el que desarrollamos productos todos los días. En este episodio tenemos el gusto de contar con un representante de eSwitch, una marca reconocida globalmente por su portafolio de interruptores para aplicaciones industriales, médicas, automotrices y de consumo. Vamos a hablar sobre qué hace la marca, cómo se comporta el mercado mexicano, qué industrias demandan más estos componentes y qué recursos tienen a su disposición para los desarrolladores que están haciendo nuevos productos. Nuestro invitado viene desde Estados Unidos, así que esta entrevista será en inglés. Espero que sea de su agrado. Sin más, vamos a comenzar. I'm delighted to have you with us today in this episode. Could you please introduce yourself and let us know your name and your position in eSwitch?
Thank you. My name's Richard Kline. I'm a regional sales manager for eSwitch, which is a company that's based in Minneapolis, Minnesota, USA.
Okay, we can follow with only Rick.
Rick is
Okay, Rick. What is eSwitch and what type of products does it develop?
eSwitch is a supplier of electromechanical switches and custom switch wired assemblies. The switch types that we offer vary from toggle switches, tack switches, push buttons, slide switches, anti-vandals, snap action switches, and others. So we're a broad-based supplier of switch components.
And what sets eSwitch apart from another switch brands out of in the market?
It's a couple of things. One is it's the diversity of our product. Our internal marketing slogan is service, selection, speed. Well, the service side of it, we have very talented people inside the company and across the company. On the service side, we try to be very, very responsive and try to do things right the first time. And selection comes back to that broad-based product line that we offer our customers.
Oh, that's a key factor that you mentioned. And what's the decision-making process that you do when you want to launch a new family of switches?
Ask me that question again, please.
What's the decision-making process for launching a new family of switches?
It would be based upon our interface with our customers. What do they need? What do they demand and expect from a company like eSwitch?
Okay, and I know that eSwitch have a huge presence here in Mexico. What eSwitch products are most widely used in Mexico?
In the Mexican market, you're using a wide variety of rocker switches, push-button switches, slide switches, tack switches. And they're used across all industry segments, whether it's medical, industrial, appliance, commercial, games. So broad base of customers.
Okay, and you have a contact with this which a designer that wants to integrate a new switch. You have like this communication with them, or how you work with the developers here in Mexico.
The way it will begin typically is we might get a web lead. Once we get a web lead, then our manufacturer's representative inside demand becomes involved in helping us follow up on that lead to determine what can we do to support the customer's needs. Once we have a product that is spec'd in, then we typically support our customers through our distribution base. We have a broad range of distributors, companies like Master Electronics, Highland, Future, DigiKey, Mauser are some of our major distributors serving the Mexican market.
Okay. Here in Mexico, we have a wide size of companies, from small companies to big developers. At what point should a developer reach out to you or one of the representative of eSwitch?
I think they should reach out to us as soon as they think they have a switch need. We can help. We can assist them in selecting what we consider the right switch for the application, whether it's a small form factor switch like a tack switch or something bigger, that handles more voltage and current, such as an anti-vandal switch. But I think it's a good idea to touch base with someone at eSwitch or our manufacturer's rep to assist in selecting the right switch. We could probably reduce the design time considerably if you ask for advice.
Perfect. Because sometimes the people, I think that they don't know that they can access a like representative when they are like small, because they think that, oh, I only will buy a small amounts of components, or they won't like help me because I'm a small company or a small developer. So it's great to know that you help all the people.
Yes, we're readily available. The Insight demand representative here is very competent, very helpful. So you've got good resources available should you reach out to us.
And what tools or resources do you offer to engineers or designers?
We have a variety of tools. We have an excellent website, and within that website, you would expect to find details about the specific product, all the specifications of a given product, and that is there. You can check stock. You can order 2D drawings, 3D drawings from the website. We also have a number of marketing resources, training tools that can assist the customer in specifying the right switch. So we've got lots of resources that are right on our webpage. In addition to that, of course, as I've already said, you have our manufacturer's representative. You've got myself. I've been with eSwitch now for almost 17 years. Internally, we have our engineering department, our drafting department, marketing, warehousing, all of our corporate functions. That's all based in Minneapolis.
And for a more personal assist, you at what point the designers can reach out to you and ask for a more personal help?
They can reach out at any time through our website. You'll find my email address. You'll find my phone number. Designers can feel very comfortable in contacting me at any time, and many do. It's kind of unusual for someone to begin to select a type switch without reaching out to me at some point along the way. So I'm kind of your intellectual property resource, if you will, that's available through the website or by phone call.
Oh, great! That's very helpful for all the designers here in Mexico, and thank you so much for sharing all this information about the company. And before we end the episode, I want to go for like more personal questions of the same topic. What advice would you give to an engineer who is designing a product from scratch, and what needs to choose for their first switch?
I guess the advice I would give them is try to reach out early in the design process, because the switch isn't necessarily considered the most important component, but much too often in my career I've seen when everything else is laid out on the board, the box is developed, we didn't really allow enough space in the board to allow for a switch or two switches or whatever it is. So I encourage the engineering community, reach out early so that you get a switch that will meet perhaps the physical space as long as the functional requirements needed in your application.
Okay, that's great. And with all the experience that you have in the field, specifically in Mexico, what's your view about the design culture here in Mexico?
Interesting question. Part of the design culture is most of the designers are half my age, so that's reality. But I would also say that, in all honesty, that the design people I've met are extremely competent and very capable of selecting the right part. My role is just to try to help them along the way and make that selection process a little simpler, a bit more efficient.
Okay, and for a developer that they have their product, they never reach you for help, and now they hear that you can offer them these assistance. How they can you ask for like an upgrade? I don't know when a switch can be better. I don't know if sensibility of a time response or like durability. What's the thing that you will say to them that they can reach to you and ask for this kind of help to get a better product?
Well, if they approach me for assistance, of course, I'm going to ask what is it that they're looking for. Do they need to increase the actuation force? Do they want more travel of the switch? Have their electrical requirements changed, so they need to select a different type switch compatible with the new requirements? So it's just contacting me, asking me a few questions. I've been in this industry long enough where you give me a little bit of an idea about what you're looking for. I can probably steer you in a very good direction.
Okay, that's awesome. And again, where they can learn more about eSwitch or get in touch with someone of your team?
An excellent place to start is right on our website, because there is so much good information there. And then following up with that, you have the local manufacturer's representative, and you have myself and others, the rest of the team members inside eSwitch that are available to assist.
Okay, I will add in this video the links for the website of eSwitch, your contact, and I hope that they reach to you and they can get this assist that they mostly need. So thank you so much.
You're welcome. I can say we've got a very active website that must be, from the customer perspective, very useful and easy to work with, because I get multiple messages every day from people everywhere in the world asking questions about switches.
Okay.
So, Mexico, of course.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. I hope that more people know now your mark, and they now will change to use eSwitch.
Very good.
Thank you.
I hope they do. Thank you.
Bueno, esta ha sido la entrevista. Muchas gracias a todos por acompañarnos en este episodio. Espero que puedan también darnos más sugerencias para futuros invitados. Pueden también dejar sus preguntas en la caja de comentarios y nosotros las estaremos respondiendo o las compartiremos con Rick para que pueda dar una respuesta. Muchas gracias y hasta la próxima.